Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing my very first IPSY Glambag Plus for the month of January. So basically today we are going to be reviewing all the products that are present in my bag this month. So let's get into this. So the very first product we have here is this tiny eyeshadow palette from Misho Beauty. I chose it myself and it came in very nice packaging. I have seen many people receive this palette, but none of them swatched this, so I'm gonna have to do it myself. We have a very nice color story here. So let's put this color on the lid here. I'm gonna put darker color in the corners. Oh, that's really, really dark. Nice lighter color here. And this color for transition. These are very nice buttery consistency and I'm really liking how this is turning out on my eyes. So let's blend these. Well, it's looking completely different in my mirror and in the camera over here. But I think it's nice and I'm really loving it. And it has almost no fallout as you can see over here. And I'm so glad I got this and I got to try this out. So the next item we have here is this blush duo from MOTD. That I guess stands for Makeup of the Day. And I see many people choosing this palette for the month of February, but I saw it in my choices previous month, so I chose it because I'm really into blushes these days. But while using it, I realized that it has the tiniest, most finest and thinnest layer of the product in the pan. Like, this pan is practically empty. So it would have been nice if it would have been full, but anyway, I think the colors are really pretty. So let's try these. I hope it's showing on the camera. Let's try the different colors on both cheeks first and then we'll mix them together. I don't think we can tell the difference between the two colors, but we're gonna mix them anyway. And now I think it has gone a bit too far. Normally I wouldn't put that much blush on my face. So the next item we have here is this eyeliner from Tarte. This is Double Take Awake. It has a liquid eyeliner at one end and this brightener at the other. I have never used a liquid eyeliner in the near past, and after using this I realized that liquid eyeliner are the worst type of eyeliner I would like to use because it's so hard to get it same on both of the eyes. So this is the best I can get from this eyeliner. I accidentally made a very nice wing on this eye, but I couldn't get it on this one. So I think I'm gonna sit like this so that you can see this eye of mine. But it's a very nice fun product to play around. Maybe someday I'll learn to do my both eyes same. The remaining two items are those that IPSY chose for me. So one of them is this Wild Oat Hydrating Toner from First Aid Beauty. This is a very nice pen and I've heard really nice things about it. So I have been using this for over a month now and it feels very nice on my extremely dry skin. So as you can see here, it has a milk-like consistency and it feels really nice on my very dry skin. So I'm really glad I got this product as well. So the last product that we have here is this Sweet Treat Wild Berry and Honey Yogurt Recovery Mask from the brand Hey Honey. This is more of like a moisturizer, I would say. I was thinking that maybe yogurt is not supposed to be put on our face because it's extremely hydrating and like oily, and as expected it did break me out, as you can see over here. So after that I've been using it as moisturizer for my hands and feet, It does smell like wild berries, like more like blueberries, and I really love it when my hand and feet smell like berries. And it has very strong scent, I must say, but despite breaking me out, it is a very nice product, and it really nicely moisturizes my hands and feet. And overall, I'm loving all the products that I got this month. I would love to know what you guys got in your glam bag. Thank you very much for sticking around with me. I would love to know your thoughts and opinion about this box. So if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. To watch more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Take care. Bye bye.